Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, and for just 5 seconds, Earth's gravity completely disappears. What would happen next? The first thing you'd notice isn't yourself. It's everything around you. Every loose object would instantly begin floating. Without gravity holding you down, you wouldn't stay on the floor. You would begin floating along with everything else. Cars slowly lose contact with the road as people grab onto streetlights. The camera flies through the city, following floating vehicles and debris. Anyone standing outside could be lifted into the air, especially if they weren't holding onto something firmly attached to Earth. Aircraft would face a different problem. Passengers and loose equipment would suddenly float, creating dangerous confusion inside the cabin. The oceans would become almost unrecognizable. Water would no longer stay where it belongs, carrying ships and sea life upward. For just a few seconds, Earth would look less like a planet and more like a world frozen in midair. Even from space, gravity shapes everything. It keeps our atmosphere close and every satellite locked in its path. Then, the 5 seconds are over. Gravity returns in an instant, and everything begins falling back to Earth. 5 seconds are over. In an instant, gravity returns, and everything begins falling at the same time. Cars smash into the streets. Glass shatters everywhere. Every loose object becomes a dangerous projectile within seconds. The oceans would crash back with unimaginable force, creating enormous waves capable of destroying coastlines around the world. Pilots would face terrifying conditions as passengers, equipment, and aircraft suddenly experience normal gravity again. Even after only 5 seconds, cities around the world would suffer massive damage from falling debris and collapsing structures. Thankfully, this could never actually happen. Gravity isn't something that can simply be switched off like a light. Earth's gravity exists because of its enormous mass. Every mountain, ocean, and rock contributes to the force holding us down. Gravity doesn't only keep you on the ground. It also holds the moon in orbit and helps keep our entire solar system stable. Most of us never think about gravity because it works perfectly every single second of our lives. Gravity is completely invisible, yet it's one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Without it, life as we know it would never exist.